Scene: Rick Grimes stands in front of a massive industrial warehouse on 300 VF1 Valkyrie Street, Madripoor. The factory is a sprawling 10,474 SF facility with rows of VF1 Valkyrie variable fighters in various stages of assembly visible in the background. The camera pans to show a sleek, customized VF1 being loaded onto a trailer by a team of mechanics. Enter JJ DeBoss, the legendary street racer who's picking up his newly customized VF1. Rick Grimes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rick Grimes, and today we're live from the headquarters of App Robotics, one of the most advanced robotech manufacturers in the world. And guess what? We've got a special guest joining us today, none other than the legendary street racer, JJ DeBoss. JJ's here to pick up his custom VF1 Valkyrie, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. But before we dive into the tour, let's chat with JJ for a quick second. Rick walks over to JJ, who's inspecting his VF1. The camera zooms in on the custom paint job, turquoise with black diamond-shaped decals and an MSO decal on the shoulder armor. JJ, my man, this VF1 looks insane. What's the story behind the customization? Rick, you know me. I don't do nothing halfway. This baby's got a turbocharged thermonuclear engine, custom armor plating, and a cockpit decked out with all the latest tech. I even added a mini fridge for my energy drinks. When I hit the streets, I'm not just racing. I'm making a statement. That's what I'm talking about. So what's next for JJ DeBoss? Any big races coming up? You know it, Rick. When the weather warms up, we're hitting the streets harder than ever. No fancy trailers, no sponsors telling me what to do. Just me, my VF1, and the open road. It's all about keeping it real. Respect, man. Well, good luck out there, and thanks for stopping by. Let's give it up for JJ DeBoss, everyone. The crew cheers as JJ hops into his truck and drives off with his VF1 in tow. Tour of the factory with CEO App. Rick is joined by App, the CEO of App Robotics. App is a charismatic figure, dressed in a sleek, modern suit with a pin of the company's logo, a stylized VF1 Valkyrie, on his lapel. Alright, folks, let's dive into the tour. Joining me is the man behind the magic, CEO App. App, thanks for having us here today. This place is incredible. Thanks, Rick. We're proud of what we've built here. At App Robotics, we're all about innovation, customization, and making cutting-edge technology accessible to everyone. Speaking of customization, I hear you've got a killer online platform where people can design their own VF1. Tell us more about that. Absolutely. Our website lets you personalize every aspect of your VF1, color, armor, engines, cockpit, you name it. It's like building your dream car, but with a lot more firepower. And the best part, you don't have to talk to a single salesperson. Just click Add to Cart, and your custom VF1 is on its way. It's one-click shopping for the future. Cut to footage of the website interface, showing a user customizing a VF1. The options are endless: matte black paint, gold accents, upgraded thrusters, and even a holographic display of the user's favorite pet. Folks, this is next-level stuff. It's like the Phantom Menace meets Amazon Prime. You can design your own starfighter from the comfort of your couch. How cool is that? Rick and App walk through the factory, showcasing the assembly lines where VF1s are being built. The camera captures the intricate process of constructing these advanced variable fighters, from the installation of thermonuclear engines to the testing of head-mounted lasers. Alright, let's take a look inside this place. First up, we've got the engine bay. These bad boys are powered by Shinakasu Heavy Industry thermonuclear reaction turbine engines. That's right, thermonuclear. These engines can hit Mach 2.71 at 10,000 meters and Mach 3.87 at 30,000 meters. And if you're feeling fancy, you can upgrade to the Ijabong Venture Capital Hyperdrive Edition. Yeah, Ijabong Ventures, named after the Norroan god of speed and innovation, they're the ones funding this insanity. Cut to footage of a VF1 transforming from fighter to Batroid mode in under 5 seconds, its movements smooth and precise. Next up, we've got the transformation bay. These VF1s can go from fighter to Batroid mode in under 5 seconds. It's like watching a Jedi Knight flip their lightsaber. Fast, precise, and downright badass. Key takeaways. Customization. Design your own VF1 Valkyrie online, from color to engines to cockpit features. One-click shopping. No salespeople, no hassle. Just click Add to Cart and your custom VF1 is on its way. Innovation. App Robotics is pushing the boundaries of robotech with support from Ijabong Ventures. Street racing. JJ DeBoss's custom VF1 is a testament to the endless possibilities of personalization. Folks, this has been an incredible experience. From chatting with JJ DeBoss to touring this state-of-the-art factory, it's clear that App Robotics is at the forefront of robotech innovation. If you're as fascinated by this as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, this is Rick Grimes, signing off from the future. Stay safe out there. The video ends with a sweeping shot of the factory, the VF1 Valkyries standing tall, and the city of Madripoor in the distance, bathed in the glow of a setting sun.